Welcome to a new Top Stock Research video. Today, we will see how to apply the dark theme in the TSR chart. Here, we can see an example chart with a standard dark theme applied. You can customize the theme according to your preference. Now, let's see how we can apply dark theme in TSR. First, go to the left-hand side and click on the technical chart option. The technical chart window will open. To change the theme, click on the setting icon at the top right corner of the chart. The settings pop-up will open. In the pop-up, click on the style option. Now, let's go through it step by step. Click on the background color box and choose a color according to your preference. Here, I am choosing gray. Next, we will change the control labels. Click on the color box and select a color based on your chart theme. Below that, you will find the crosshair settings. Click on the color box to change the crosshair color according to your preference. You can also adjust the line width and choose whether you want solid or dotted lines. Additionally, you can change the color of the price labels and their background in the crosshair. Below that, you will find the axis settings. Click on the color box to change the axis color according to your preference. You can also adjust the axis line width and change the tick color. To save these changes, click on Save Settings. In this way, you can customize your chart with either a dark theme or a light theme based on your preference. In any case of queries, please click on Request for Demo link. We hope you found this session useful, and if so, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. We will bring another interesting video very soon. Till then, goodbye.